everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm continuing my week of halfway to Halloween Nightmare Before Christmas looks. I have done Sally, I have done Lock, I have done Shock, and for day 4 I am doing the Mayor. So if you guys want to see the other looks I did, make sure you check out my Sally video, which will be linked down below and up here on a card. And also follow me on Instagram so you can see Lock, Shock, and tomorrow will be Barrel. Friday will be a take on Oogie Boogie, but you guys won't see that till Saturday. And then I am turning Sean into Jack. So if you guys want to see all that, make sure you follow me and subscribe and check out all my other looks I'm doing for 100 days of makeup. And with that, I'm out of breath and let's get started. So for today, I am just going to be doing the half and half face like you saw in the intro. So that is going to require me to mix a little bit of paint, just because the like happy side is actually kind of peachy rather than orange. So I'm taking my water activated paint and I'm taking a little bit of orange and some white and mixing it together so we get that kind of orangey skin tone that the Mayor has. So that's gonna be my halfway point, and we're just gonna paint the rest. So for the other half of my face, I'm going to take the white water activated paint and just start laying it down as a base. On this side, he has the swirly, kind of crazy eye when he's happy. So that's what we're gonna go with. We're gonna start there. I'm using this liner brush. This is the MUA point liner brush. It's their 313 brush. It is so nice. I love this brush. I've been using it a ton lately. And this is gonna be really hard to do. So for the other eye, it is just like a wash of color. So I am going to take a little bit of this purple color from the Makeup Revolution Tammy X palette and a little bit of the blue color and kind of just mix them together. And then take this brush and go all around the eye with this color. And it doesn't have to be perfectly blended. You just want to make sure you take it up high enough so it gets that, you know, dark shadowed effect the whole way around. Going under the eye, kind of taking it really in the pockets where my eye bags kind of are, so that it really settles into those creases. For the mouth, this is gonna be interesting because the mouth is very different. So I'm gonna start by actually outlining the mouth. Usually I would do the teeth. So I am gonna start by creating the smile on this side. There we have the smile line, but now the line has to change direction on this side. So it has to curve down and then kind of up this way. I have the blackout. I'm gonna take some black paint and just do the noses. So the noses are a little different on each side. On this side, it's kind of like a skull nose. So I'm going to create that little triangle shape right here and fill that in. And then this side, it comes up a little further and is more of like a narrow triangle. The teeth on the happy side are actually just like big blocky squares. So that is what I'm going to paint first. I'm going to separate them. The other side of the teeth are more yellow, so I want to fill this all in with yellow, and when it mixes with the white it will kind of create that stained teeth effect. So I'm going to do that next. Now that we have the yellow teeth side done, these teeth are much easier to do because you just do a zigzag up and down to separate them. I am going to take a little bit more of black paint and just do a little scoop mark on my chin just to create that line that he has there. He just has like this little kind of, I think it's like a fat roll, honestly. So now that we have that done, we're gonna finish off the lips. I have two colors here. I have Jeffree Star Nathan and the NYX Liquid Suede in Amethyst. Amethyst is gonna go on this side for the lips. Nathan is gonna go on this side for the lips. So our lips are done and outlined, and now it looks weird when I talk. I am going to add some of the red shadow from the Makeup Revolution palette I used earlier. I'm just going to take it on a big brush and just apply it to my cheeks in a big circle. Alright, so this is the finished look. This is my take on the mirror from Nightmare Before Christmas. I think it looks really cool. The mouth looks really funky. I don't know, I think it just is a cool look. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram to see the rest of my week of halfway to Halloween Nightmare Before Christmas looks. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.